This video is for those people who have a DSLR camera and they're trying to use it as a webcam on your computer. I have a MacBook Air. So let me go ahead and show you exactly the order in which you are supposed to hook your camera up so that it actually works. And I'm going through the steps, okay? This is where you're gonna start. Camera off and unplugged. EOS, quit, make sure EOS is closed, and then all your applications that you intend to use the camera with are closed as well. First step, here we go, open EOS. EOS is now open and running. Plug your camera in. Camera's in, turn your camera on. Now when you turn your camera on, you may get an error message like this that pops up. That's okay. What you should notice, this is important, okay? Your camera should show that it's connected to the computer by displaying a symbol kind of like this, a little computer, a little laptop on your camera screen. That's how you know so far you're in the money, okay? Once you're in the money, close EOS. And I don't mean just close, quit EOS. Quit. It is now quit. Your camera should still show that little icon of the laptop. That will mean that you're still in the money. Now let's go ahead and open up Zoom. Nothing? Yes, there we go. And then from scratch, from zero, you're gonna go ahead and open EOS, plug your camera in, turn your camera on, pay attention, make sure the icon pops up on your camera that it's connected to the computer. Then you quit EOS, that's the big one, quit EOS before you open any applications. I think the big key takeaway is to just quit EOS, okay? Because you saw Zoom was still running and it still worked, okay? From scratch, camera's off and unplugged, EOS is closed down, quit. It's not running. Open EOS. Plug in your camera. Turn your camera on. And then quit EOS. Cheers, baby.